Namaste. I am Sudip. Today we are going to learn the Swar Alankar in Hindustani classical music. So these are few of the warm-ups which you will have to practice every morning, every evening before you start practicing any rag. You can try that again. Try to hold that note. Let's try that again. Next note. Re. Let's try that again. Now we'll go to the next one. Let's do it once more. Let's go to the next. Again. Let's sing the next one. Let's try that once more. Next note. Again. Next one. Try that again. And the next sa is the higher sa. Sa. Try that again. Sa. So that was good. So these are the 7 swaras which we practice for Swar Alankar. Now first you have to try perfecting the pitch. So you'll have to match your vocal scale according to what we practiced now. And then we have to start practicing this in 3 different speeds. So let's look at it. So this is the speed 1. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, so now that was all the notes in ascending aroha. Now avaroha, we have to do the reverse. Sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Now let's try it together at the same speed. So I'll give a countdown. You have to start singing with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. That was a good try. Now we will go to second speed, Madhyam Lay. Let's do it together. It will go at this speed. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Now I will give you a countdown. Let's try to sing it at the same tempo. 1, 2, 3, start. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Wonderfully tried. Now we will go to the third speed, the drutle. We will go fast. So listen to it. We have to sing it at this tempo. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. I'll give you a countdown. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, start. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So you have to practice this first one like this. Now we have to try the same with just akar. Akar is where we sing the same sa re ga ma. Instead of saying the words, we have to sing like like that. Let's try it at our first speed. 1, 2, 3, start. Let's try again. Once again. Let's go to the second speed. That was good. Let's try the third speed. Let's try that again. I'll give you a countdown this time. 1, 2, 3, start.